In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence page in Jira. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. If you're new to Jira, it's the central hub for project management and visibility used by many teams. Once you're inside your project, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll find a tab labeled Pages. Click on it. This tab is your gateway to integrating Confluence, which is a powerful content collaboration tool that works seamlessly with Jira. After you've clicked on the Pages tab, the next step is to click on Connect to Confluence. This link is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to get started. The purpose here is to link your Jira project with Confluence so that you can manage documentation side by side with your project tasks. Once you click Connect to Confluence, a dialog box or a form will prompt you to select your Confluence space. This drop-down menu allows you to choose from the available spaces where your team hosts different projects or documentation. Choose the space that's most relevant to the work you're doing in Jira. It connects these two tools and aligns your team's efforts. With the appropriate Confluence space selected, go ahead and click Connect. This action will establish the linkage between your Jira project and Confluence, opening doors for better collaboration and information sharing. Connecting these tools enables team members to have a single source of truth and simplifies access to important documents. Now that your tools are linked, direct your attention to the right panel of the screen. There, you'll find a section labeled Create a Page. Click on it. This section is where the magic happens. It's where you'll draft your new Confluence page. Next, you have a choice. Do you go with a Confluence template or do you start with a blank page? Confluence templates are pre-designed page layouts tailored for specific use cases, such as meeting notes or product requirements, providing structure and saving time. If you want to create something custom, starting with a blank page allows for more flexibility and creativity. Make your selection based on what you think best suits your needs. After making your selection, it's time to add your content. This could include text, images, embedded links, or anything else your page requires. Remember, this is your opportunity to build a resource that can effectively guide or inform your team. Once you're satisfied with what you've created, click Publish. This action will save your page and make it accessible to your team, allowing every member to benefit from the information you've assembled. Congratulations, you've just created a Confluence page in Jira, which will undoubtedly enhance your team's collaboration and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.